How to plant and grow spinach. Hello everybody, welcome to Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. So today we're going to be talking about how you can plant and grow spinach. Spinach is one of the easiest vegetables to grow in the garden, and all you need is a good fertile soil with good compost, and you can plant them by spreading it on a soil like this, or you can just plant them 1 inch deep. Either way, they will still grow. So usually I just spread them like this, and I just water it, and it should be all set. You can do this, within 30 days. You can get some fresh spinach leaves. Some take up to 40 days if you wanted to use it for like other cooking and stuff. But if you want salad spinach, within 30 days you will get spinach. You can also plant them in containers like this, then transplant them to wherever you want to plant it and however you want to plant it. So you can definitely start your seeds in the container and then transplant it in the garden. You can plant it at any time, even in the cold periods. But the best temperature for spinach is between 60 and 70 degrees. So here I transplanted some of the spinach from the container in the greenhouse. I'm just watering it right now, and after watering it, it should be all set. And I'm gonna show you other areas where the spinach I planted last year, some seeds fell on the ground, and you're gonna see a lot of spinach that came out of there from last year. So spinach definitely is something that you wanna try to grow. It doesn't take that long for you to grow, and you can definitely get some fresh spinach from your garden as soon as 30 days. And instead of going to the store buying spinach, you can definitely get some good spinach from the store within the period of 30 days. So it's something that you should definitely try, and it's great to have. And here, these are the spinach in my garden bed that I planted some last year. Some of them went to seeds, and the seeds dropped on the bed. And this year, I'm going to have enough spinach to last me the whole season. So like everywhere you see, it's all spinach that I didn't plant this year. It just probably dropped, or what dropped from these spinach plants from last year. So it's definitely something that if you love to eat spinach, you use spinach either to cook or for salads, you should definitely try it. It's great, and you can save you a lot of money. Instead of buying spinach, you can grow your own spinach and save a lot of money that way. And here you have the ones that were planted over here with the lettuce. There's been about a month now, and they are doing well. Look at the leaves, huge leaves. All you need is good compost in the garden bed, and water it regularly, and you have some great spinach that you can use. Like I said, you can use it for salads, you can use it for cooking, whatever you variety of spinach you want to grow, you can do that. And it's very easy to grow, and you can just have spinach anytime you want. Beautiful, tastes great. You can just eat it like this. It's, see, nice and clean. You can just eat it fresh like that. That's it. So you have spinach that you can harvest at any time. You can eat at any time. Okay. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching, and happy growing.